Hello there, David Gibson here from the Leasehold team at Thackeray Williams. A further video on the recent Law Commission proposals for changes to leasehold enfranchisement law. So another big change that's been proposed to come into force by the Law Commission, which in this report that's come out, midnight just gone, is that there is currently in the law where you have to have owned your flat for 2 years before you have the right to extend your lease. There's simply a proposal that gets abolished. That was already abolished in relation to needing to own your flat in order to participate in buying the freehold, and now it's proposed that it's abolished in relation to extending your lease. Very useful change for leaseholders. One of the big problems in the current legislation is that if you were buying a property which had a lease which was about to fall under 80 years, you'd need to go through quite a complex procedure where the seller would have to begin a claim and then pass it over to you because they'd been there 2 years, but you wouldn't be able to make a claim within your first 2 years, and the value of your lease extension would shoot up. It's quite a litigious and quite a meticulous process that complicated things and added quite a bit of cost in those particular scenarios, and it affected a lot of people. This change would wipe that out. Effectively, you'd be able to purchase a flat, and then if you didn't like the length of the lease, it could be your project to go and extend it as part of part and parcel of buying it. You just budget for that, proceed to buy a short lease flat and extend the lease. You can budget for it yourself before you buy it, and it doesn't need to complicate a sale. So that may be good news for people who are facing this problem, and particularly people who are struggling to make that work. That kind of assignment procedure for lease extensions, which can be tricky. So yeah, another positive recommendation for leaseholders in that report.